This week's episode of Well, we're going to try welding with a screwdriver. Unfortunately, this screwdriver has plastic on it. So, I already know it's not going to be very nice. But Andrew wants me to weld with it. So, for the sacrifice of my lungs, I'm going to make him happy to weld this screwdriver. And then I'm going to be coughing up black shit later on. Thanks, Andrew.
And Melissa's gonna say you stank.
Yeah, that's everything. Nothing new there. We don't need the screwdriver for that one. All right, can I weld my grandmother's lawnmower back together with this screwdriver? The nice thing is it's got a nice handle. We're gonna introduce the filler material. Smells like an old land. Old two-stroke snowmobile. It's actually burning up so quickly that it's not really affecting anything. It's actually welding really nice. Look at it. I think I'm gonna try turning up the amperage. It's got like about 70.
Oh my god. Jesus.
I think it's normal.
Oh.
I mean, that's an extremely nice looking weld. Like, there's not, like, I'm sure if you were to cut it open, it would have some imperfections in it, but like, not at all what I was expecting. Like, that's leaving me a little bit speechless. Like, that is wild. That's not my 309 wire. It just burned the plastic away from the weld.
One of your favorite welds?
I mean, the clothes hanger is